We ain't even reached 5 minutes. It's another 5-minute show. Leroy, you set up already?
No, I'm setting up right now. Ready to set up.
And I know you like to see encouragement before you set up.
My God, you just got here. You just dropped that night of water. Midnight, but why you so wrong? You always embarrass us like that. Not even 2 seconds.
Not even 2 minutes. You right in the park, you van and come back. I just drop it down, we get a Flounder. I got him a live mullet. Alright, let me go set up the restaurant and get back here. When we reached the inlet, it was already low tide. It was just about finishing up on the low tide, and there weren't much fish. This whiting I got probably about 30 or 40 minutes after I caught that Flounder. That's the whiting. I'm using some live shrimp for the whitings. Size one. Just stay right there so the net could go out. All right. We good? We good. Since you're not doing that, This will jump up just now when I see you bring up the rod. You had anything on it?
I just drop him down. I don't believe this. Eh?
Nice size too.
And a live shrimp.
I got fiddler crab there too, you know, Ray, if you want.
Look at that. He wasn't going nowhere.
Nah, he was hooked nice on the side too.
All the way to the side. Watch that. Look.
So Leroy fishing with some live shrimp as we got his big sheepshead on. Where's your pliers?
Over there.
Okay, take it by a cooler now. Take it by a cooler. Yeah. Let's hold him up and we take a picture out. Wait on there. Look at that. Nice big one.
Yes, and live shrimp. Live shrimp. First sheephead and live shrimp.
Yes.
I always use fiddler crab and live shrimp. Unbelievable.
Put your finger in his mouth now. Alright, put it away. Bro, let's go fishing. You got it right. Keep him that way, keep him that way. Hey, watch it.
I got the wired end of it.
Ray, if you're not busy, you want to come over here so Leroy could show you what to do? Come over here so Leroy could show you about these fish.
The last one, bite.
Put it in the cooler, man. Put it over the cooler. Right. That's a bluefish. Stop giving the fish slack. Keep the fish tight. Oh, it's a ladyfish. You dropped off? That's good. Look, they're passing right between the lines. Okay, so for today for bait, we're using some mullet and some fiddler crab. These are the mullet. And we're using fiddler crabs to catch the sheepshead. Leroy caught his sheepshead on live shrimp. So this is what the fiddler crab is. bite has slowed down, so we're just going to stay probably another half an hour to 45 minutes, and then we're going to leave. You getting bite there, Leroy? Some bluefish were biting also. Probably came off. Hey, thanks for watching today's video. We caught a few fish, not much. Got to spend some time with some good friends fishing on the bridge as usual. And as always, thanks for watching, and hope to see you soon.